So we've had a lot of fun building lightsabers with Arduino Nanos and Arduino Pro Minis, but we can do all kinds of cool things and use accelerometers, and it's multiple colors, and we've gotten really fancy. But let's dial it back for a second. What if we could fit a lightsaber program on a chip that's this big? I started experimenting with this recently, and I'm really pleased with the results. This is the ATTiny85. You don't get a lot of I/O, but if you simplify your project, you could get something. Instead of trying to mimic high-end commercial soundboards, you can mimic, like a cheapy soundboard, but better than you'll get out of a toy lightsaber, because you can program it specifically for that purpose. So you don't get that annoying blinking when you turn it on and stuff like that. So I've got a demo set up on my breadboard, so let's go check it out. Okay, this looks like a mess because I had to use my smaller breadboard because the Mark IV is still being developed with my larger one. But everything that you need is here. I've got my trusty WT5D8D 16-pin. Got a 3.3 volt regulator here, a few switches, and buried down in this nest of wires is the actual chip that I showed at the beginning of this video. You can see obviously there's no nano, and there's no Pro Mini or anything like that. It's just a tiny little chip, and I'll power it up.
I bring Darth Vader's enemies to justice.
Little star killer for you, and let's give it a little power on. Now the LED is buried back here. The camera's not really positioned very well. There, you can see the LED back there. And here's flash sensor. There's the swing. Just back to basics. So I'm back to using a swing and clash sensor just like I used on the Mark II, but much simpler, much smaller program, and much smaller chip, obviously. So all right, thanks for watching. Bye.